And guess what? We got first class on. But wait, we lit gang gang. We just got the bone up. They thought they was gonna play it. We in first class.
Oh, what a damn champagne.
She messed up my bun. But he made it on the flight. Ooh, that looks wrong.
What is this, on the HD mode or something?
I'm glad we landed. I'm gonna take this ponytail down because this scarf is hurting my head at this point. Yes, it's hurt. I only did that for the plane. I had to let my hair down because that ponytail was giving me a headache. But we just waiting. Okay, let me take the scarf off too. We waiting on my sister to pick us up. She said she should be here at 9:17. I'm a pretty prompt person, so I'm clocking because I'm ready to
get the fuck ASAP after this shit.
Ugly folks, how was your plane experience?
Come on, man, smooth like green sheep.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Cricket?
Yeah.
Definitely didn't laugh. Hey, up there. Are they practicing how to drive in Walmart?
I said what I said.
Okay. So boom, got my chips and I got my guacamole. So yeah, I love guacamole. I haven't been eating meat like that. I've been doing a lot of vegan food. So like finding healthy things to eat is really hard. I am on a weight loss journey. I know it's like I'm like sound like a hypocrite because I'm up here eating chips, but honestly, I've been doing really good eating healthy, so I think I deserve it. I ain't overeating though, that's for sure. Yeah. Ooh. At least the guac is healthy. Got my uncle on my shirt. I always wear this shirt when I go to the airport. Now my cousin want to come downstairs. Now niggas want to come downstairs.
Way out the hood just to hop on the blue hole, hit the east side just to pick up a few more. Oh, you got some ranch now.
Yeah, they fire with these.
Them things fire. Let's see, man.
So he's trying out the guacamole with the chip. How you like it? You was the one who eat my chips. Bro, them not that
really, not really.
Yes, really.
Told you got a mice in here or something.
What you know?
Somebody got in that bag and want me.
That's we were able to when I opened the bag. They better with these, ain't they? They give you tortilla chips. Them not that good with that. This ugly fuck right here.
Yeah.
This is my cousin, one of my favorite cousins. These chips he eating with the guacamole.
I'll take these because I just wanted something hot, that's why.
Let me try. She ain't got no hot sauce either.
No. So they ain't gonna have them up.
What?
These or this. Y'all going to work.
These are, you know what they not gonna have tomorrow? This guacamole and chip. It's so fast. And I didn't put no cilantro in here because my sister is allergic to cilantro. But it's still A1.
I'm allergic to jalapeno.
What?
What?
Bro, what are you talking about?
You should have put the cilantro there.
You eating it? You the man who want to talk about something.
I just want a couple more. I'm done.
Right, me too. A couple more gonna turn into a couple more. Next thing you know, we rinsing out the bowl.
No, that's gonna take 30%.
Now we just gonna eat this little piece. We got treated like first class today. Come on, we gotta tell them our story about how we legit felt like celebrities by default. I think that's how celebrities feel. I mean, I'm not trying to be like, oh, we're celebrities. No, that's not what I'm saying. I just felt like the treatment that they gave us was like that. So, oh, excuse me. So, my auntie worked for Spirit as well as my cousin. My cousin wasn't there, but thank God, our flight was supposed to leave at 6 o'clock. Me and him didn't get to the airport until 5:15 a.m. Never ever go to the airport too close to the time you have to depart. So we getting in there, and I see my auntie, and she like, hey. She like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm trying to get on the flight. She like, what time your flight? 6 a.m. She actually put it in the computer, both of our stuff, weighed my bag, and gave us closer seats to first class. So I thought they were first class because it said 5B.
Yeah, it was something like that.
It said 5B.
But really what got us too, when she seen me, she like, ain't you the famous ugly folks? I seen your video on YouTube. She like, oh my God. So next thing you know, they clear the way. Next thing you know, TSA, they step to the side, they roll the red carpet down. We ain't had to take my shoes off, we ain't had to do none of that. Soon we got on that plane, first class ticket. Next thing you know, champagne bottles with the sparkles. They
all right, okay. Anyway, and then we was off. She was like, she gonna get us through TSA. So she said, all you gotta do is take your shoes off and take your jackets off. So we took our shoes off, took your jacket off. We cut the whole TSA. Mind you, the line, I couldn't even record because it was just so many people. And I felt like my anxiety, too many people, that would have blown, that was a little weird. So we got through TSA. She allowed us to go through TSA. We cut everybody, and we went to the front, got our stuff, went through. I had to sacrifice. Not only did I lose my headphones because I took off my jacket and I put it through the thing, and they must have checked my pockets because they seen some of my pockets, so it must still be in the little bins or lost and found. I don't know, but I think I want to go back see Lost and Found because I like those headphones. But anyways, go through TSA. Oh, I had to throw away my bottle. I got this water bottle from this makeup competition I was in, and I had that bottle for a long time, and I had to throw it away because I accidentally left water in there. They couldn't pour it out. I had to, if I was to keep the bottle, I would have to walk out back past TSA and pour it out just for that bottle. I said, no, throw it away. We ain't finna miss our fight for a bottle because y'all want to be petty. Just what? Or whatever. So we go through. Then we get up on the plane. We already first class. And then my cousin knew one of the flight attendants and she gave us snacks. It was just like perfecto. And not only that, but I got to see the sunrise this morning. To God be the glory, And I enjoyed that flight. Like, it was such a smooth flight. We had the whole row to ourselves. Me and my cousin had he was sitting on the end, I was sitting by the window. It was just perfect because I had plane anxiety. Well, not anymore because that flight was nice. Me getting up on a plane when the weather is bad, it's just a bad idea. My anxiety is so bad. I'll get back to you guys. Most likely I'll be recording tomorrow morning when we're prepping for the barbecue. So I'll be back. I'll be back. Look how my plate look. How's the food?
Period. Good.
Parker, how's the food? You like your food? Okay.
Y'all, they got me making drinks. We better hope they be live in the morning.
Got the gang in the back.
Dumbass security, rent a cop.
That's my friend.
I got
friend car. He got
Drizzy in the cut. My boy, y'all ain't seen him on. Well, shoot, definitely ain't seen you on my channel if that's the case.
So he sent me a month.
But I'm back now.
And I'm better.
Back and I'm better. Hey, look at my boy rolling though.
Oh my God, they are dark.
You better woo on that
Hey,
hey,
on that Now here we go to the end of the road till I can't let go. Boy, pull up your pants. Joe.
Pull up your pants.
Girl, I didn't. Nobody want to see that.
You think I want my pants to be sagging?
I hope not. Love you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm going to Chicago.
Oh my God, Dre, they got one of them things. He was like,
Because you know he's scared of bugs.
yes.
Okay, look.